ZEC is supposed to provide, without fear or favor, the information that makes us come to the judgment that the election was free and fair. And we have these games that are played all the time, that things are put up and taken down. And then the website is hacked, and we really don't know if it was hacked or not, and stuff like that. And that makes it incredibly difficult for the people of Zimbabwe to trust this process. And sometimes then you come up with an argument, and then, you know, what you're comparing it with no longer exists, and then it's like, ah, no, we never said that. But at the end of the day, it doesn't matter. If more people voted at the polling station than were registered to vote, there was fraud. That's it.
Good. Thank you. We can take one more question.
Yeah, it's okay.
What is the process now going forward? Because no one seems to know what's going to happen.
Yeah. I love your questions, Violet, because they go right to what is the problem in our country. The problem, as I said earlier, for 38 years, there are some people who have monopolized knowledge of the processes, and you're really at their mercy. So they can judge in whatever way, and they can then say on a technicality, well, you didn't do this at this point, and stuff like that. It's high time we, Zimbabweans, said enough is enough. Because sometimes, even those who are in official positions don't even seem to know what is supposed to be done. I'll give you some interesting examples. During the nomination court, the first thing that the forms that were put up by the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission, we pulled down those forms and started filling out those forms so we could be ahead of the process. And then our guys would go to ZEC, and then ZEC would say, no, don't use those forms. Those are not the correct forms. And we are going to put the form up. And they would not put it up until quite late. And then you fill in the form, and then you're told as you're filling in the form, well, you need to bring your birth certificate, your original this, and so on and so forth. And it sounds like something which is small, right? But then, you know, you would go there to the nomination court, and then they would tell you, no, you needed to bring something else. But we asked, and you said, this is the only thing that we need. And say, no, you need that. And by then, you imagine a candidate who has driven from somewhere and has left this thing 3 hours away. There were a lot of candidates who actually could not qualify for the nomination court because even the people at ZEC would give you various information. And we actually believe it was on purpose.